Hello YouTube, this is Nick with American Garage. Today we're working on my 1980 Mercury Capri. As you can see, I've pulled off the cowl and I got it sitting there. It's broken in a few spots, but it's like literally someone took a Turbo RS hood and stuck this on top of it. Like, they horribly drilled holes and like didn't even bother covering the drills or anything, and these guys are sunken down in here. I've already removed the bolts off the bottom, but there's one corner. They're stuck in there a little good, and you just gotta work them on around. There we go. And as you can see, I got another bed of moss. That's probably been there, honestly, probably over 10 years. I have been lazy about cleaning this out, and I've been seeing it sitting here, and it's like, hey, this is going to be sitting here for a while. Might as well make it look at least somewhat nice. Scoop all this out and try to get back on the underside of the hood here. I'm going to move these guys up on the windshield. As you can see, this car's been sitting for a while. There's a lot of moss just sitting there. This is Washington State problems. But yeah, as you can see, there's like a bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, there. That one broke in half. I think it was broken before I got to it. The one there. Then there's 4 per each one of these guys, as you can see by the stud sticking up there. And this is a fake cowl induction. It is not real. It's, as you can see, it has these little pads that sit here, and you can kind of see the marks where those little pads sit. Right on the top here. There's nowhere for the air to get down into the engine through this hood. And the only reason I know that this is a Turbo RS hood is because I've got my 3.3 straight 6 emission sticker right here on top of my coolant bottle. Yeah, you can see 3.3 200 manual trans. This is legit my thing. Yeah, Family A 1980. And then you come up here and look at this guy. We've got a 2.3 AX AIP TWC EGR manual trans. BM, it's like 83, 84. Oh, 85 right there. So it's the 85 hood on my 1980. Yeah, horrible door sounds. Oh, I forgot this thing. Oh, yeah. Here we go. 1079. Got the GVWR, and that's my car. And that's all the codes that it was made. Got the Y axle, the 4cc FF trim. I think that's 2 different specialized packages. I'm not sure which. I haven't really looked into it too far. But that's the Gia trim, and just 61H. I'm not sure what the 61H means besides the early Fox body. Yeah, got the 1P right there too. I don't know if that means anything. Literally got this car for free, and now it's gonna become a race car. So, that's what it shall become. But she's She's not a bad car at all. I left all the plastics. I sold the seats. I ripped out the headliner. There ain't no headliner. The rearview mirror fell off. And I still got the map light. I was thinking of selling the map light, but I was like, nah, that's too cool. That'd be a cool thing to talk about while driving it. But yeah, I need to get all that carpet out of there. I need to get the sound deadening out. Like, you can see a bunch of the sound deadening right here. There's all of that. That's probably a good probably about 100 pounds, so maybe. It's the really old sound deadening. And it's old. But yeah, I got a lot of work to do. I need to get an engine and transmission to replace this guy and put this guy into storage until I can rebuild it. And make some power with this thing. And at least 3... I'd like to make about 500. 500 is my goal. I'd like to go turbo, but I may end up going naturally aspirated. We shall see what shows up. Thank you. Bye. Everybody, have an awesome day. Don't have too much fun now.